Hello there. Today we have 6 sets, and we need to write each one in a special way called set builder notation. Don't worry, I'll show you how to do each one step by step. So what is set builder notation? Instead of writing every single member of a set, we write a rule. We say X is in the set if X follows our rule. The little colon sign means such that. Let's look at set A. It has 0, 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 10. These are whole numbers from 0 to 10. So the rule is, X is a whole number and X is less than or equal to 10. Here is set A in set builder notation. We write X such that X belongs to W, which means whole numbers, and X is less than or equal to 10. This rule picks exactly the numbers 0 through 10. Now let's look at set B. It is the set of all odd numbers. Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on. They go on forever. We need a rule that picks only odd numbers. Here is set B. We say X equals 2 times n take away 1, where n is any natural number. When n is 1, X is 1. When n is 2, X is 3. When n is 3, X is 5. See? It gives us all the odd numbers. Now set C has 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. Do you see a pattern? These are all from the 3 times table. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, and so on up to 3 times 5 is 15. We write X equals 3 times n, where n is a natural number from 1 to 5. This rule gives us exactly 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. Not one more, not one less. Set D has all the letters from A to Z. That's every letter in the English alphabet. So our rule is very simple. X is a letter of the English alphabet. Here it is. We just say X such that X is a letter of the English alphabet. Simple and clean. This rule picks all 26 letters from A to Z. Set E is the set of days in a week. That's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and so on. There are 7 days. Let's write the rule. We write X such that X is a day of the week. That's it. This short rule tells us exactly which 7 things belong in set E. Last one. Set F is all the prime numbers between 10 and 30. A prime number can only be split equally by 1 in itself. Between 10 and 30, those are 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, and 29. We say X such that X is a prime number and X is bigger than 10 but smaller than 30. Notice we use less than signs, not less than or equal, because the problem says between 10 and 30. And we are done. Here are all 6 answers together. You did a wonderful job. Remember, set builder notation is just a smart way to tell a rule instead of writing every single member. Great work today.